Hi, I am Jijo.
I'm Subhash. And if you are a CPA or an accountant trying to scale your business, then you have to listen to. We are from India and we have been working across clients in the US, and we help CPAs and chartered accountants to scale your business and practice. And the most important thing about this, we work on a performance basis, and we guarantee you results. And without the results, you're not paying the fee. And our offer is structured in such a way you see the results first and then make the fee. Now, quickly, if you are a CA, we are going to talk about four things which is very relevant to any CPA or an accountant. We will talk about the problem which most CPAs and accountants face, the solution what we propose, and we're going to show you a case study of how we have helped a CPA and what we can do for you in the form of an offer. Now, what is the problem which most CPAs and accountants face? Your business is accounting and finance, and sales and marketing and advertising is not your core skill. So you shouldn't be spending or wasting time on sales and marketing, but that's the way you grow your business. And the second major thing that you will find is you will find a lot of marketing agencies who want to help CPAs, but most of the time they don't have an understanding of finance, what works in finance, what clients want, which actually creates a lot of inefficiency and wastage when it comes to marketing and sales. And feast and famine sort of a billing system, in the sense like most of the CPAs, when it comes to the annual filing time, they are very busy. Post that, it goes into a lull and there is no revenue. And the most critical thing, most of the CPAs, they can, beyond the basic filings, I mean, they can do fractional service, they can do financial mentoring, a lot of high value services, which most of the time chartered accountants and CPAs are not able to cash into. So if these are the problems which resonate with you, listen to us further. Now, what if we can help you overcome all these problems that we spoke of in the previous slide? First is, unlike many other firms or sometimes agencies, we show you a clear blueprint. Before we start engaging, we'll show you exactly what we are going to do for you, how it will be done, what are the segments, what's the kind of offer that we are going to build for you. Everything is shown beforehand, and then only the activity starts. More importantly, it's not only when you are working with us, we build evergreen assets or systems that even if you're not working with us post our relationship, the assets continue to work and build your business. And the most important thing is it's like an 80-20. I mean, 80% of the fee you are paying only after you see the desired results, and 20% is the build cost. Like, we look at your business, we understand what can be built. Sometimes case studies need to be built. So effectively, you are paying only for the time cost. The result is based on the performance. And post the engagement, you will have a scaling business which can actually build on from there. And what's the kind of solution? How do we work with CPAs and accountants is the question. So what we do first is we try and understand your key strength. I mean, every CPA, every accountant is different. Some would be offering, say, payroll services. Some would be offering what you call like tax filing services or financial planning. No, we understand what is working for you and we build on those strengths. The second thing, what we do is we try to increase your revenue and to make your firm attractive to clients. We try, I mean, based on your interest and skills and strengths, we try and build some new products for you, which is a revenue enhancer for you. Like, say, for example, hidden profits. We will speak about these products later, but products like hidden profit, sales accelerator, automated sales, which I think every client needs it. And more importantly, we go about building your landing pages, we build your case studies, we actually find out segments which actually work for you based on your geography that you are currently working. So first we understand you, we build those products which can enhance your revenue. And third, once we build the product and the offer and everything, we scale it out. Now we do email marketing, we do conventional advertising. So this is the kind of work that we do with CPAs and accountants. Now, this is a very, very quick snapshot. We have a much detailed case study where we break down. So we were working with a CPA who was doing only tax filing services for a particular client. So what we did was we started, positioning him as a fractional CFO. So we got him 3 fractional engagements and we build a product for him. Like what you see here is exactly that. This is his landing page that we have built for him. Like Hidden Profit is one of our products. We actually customized it for the CPA. We build the landing pages, we build email systems, and we then put them out in the market. So that's how we scaled that CPA business. Now, I'm not going into details of the case, but this is the before and after of working with Hextro. Earlier, he had only one, the feast and famine, where only towards the end of the financial year, he was very busy, but revenues started to really pull down during the non-filing season. So there we plugged in fractional CFO service. Earlier he didn't have an automation system. We built an automation system. He was able to get continuous meetings. That's how we built it. And there was no, he couldn't afford to have a sales and a marketing team. We built that, and we build the assets in such a way it can continuously generate leads and business for him. So this is the before and after. We expect to be doing this for your business also. And we have a very quick offer. In the sense, like, we are not asking for any business. What we are asking is you can come into a meeting where we will look at your business and we will give you a blueprint in about, say, 20 minutes. You can give us your details. We can have a discussion, which is it's not a sales call where we are trying to sell you something. We understand your business. We understand your strengths. What can be done? What cannot be done? How quickly can we scale? How quickly can we make revenue for you? This is what so we'll ideally do it in a 20 to a 45-minute session, and it's free. It doesn't mean we generally in India we charge clients, but for the US clients we're not charging this time. So you can come in. There is no pressure, and if you find value, then we take the engagement forward.